Did you know that the United Kingdom is one of the top consumers of wine in the world? In recent years, UK residents have consumed over 1.3 billion litres of wine annually. This astonishing figure places the UK among the top wine-consuming countries globally, despite its relatively smaller population. But it's not just wine that's capturing British hearts. The UK also sips on around 400 million litres of spirits annually. That's about a bathtub full of spirits for every person. Yet, wine remains the reigning champion in the UK's alcohol preferences. Globally, the United States leads in overall wine consumption, with an annual intake surpassing 3 billion litres. However, when considering per capita consumption, smaller countries like Portugal and France take the lead, showing a deep-rooted wine culture in these regions. While wine is more popular in European countries, in other parts of the world like Asia, spirits tend to dominate the alcohol market. For instance, in China, the consumption of spirits is remarkably high, mainly due to the popularity of local spirits like baijiu. These statistics not only reveal diverse drinking preferences across regions, but also highlight wine's growing popularity as a global beverage of choice.